kill. The face-off will come back to Taormina right side. Back pedals to the blue line. Top of the left circle, Joe Whitney in the slot. Backhand try. Kicked away by Poulin. Nice stop as he denied big Nick Palmieri in front. Far circle, Taormina fires his shot. Blocked by Poulin in front. Trying to pitch it ahead with his stick. It kicks back off Taormina to Alexi in the corner. To Marcinko. And now he'll chip it free. Bridgeport's got a 2-on-1. Here's Marcinko left side. He's got Ness across. Quick shot left circle. Same rebound. Poke just wide by Tomas Marcinko. Jeff Frazee tried to spin a pass around, nearly stolen behind by Cullinan. And now a little turnover in front, shot, score! Tyler McNeely from the hash marks rips it top shelf as the Devils had trouble playing the puck deep in their zone. And for McNeely, he picks up his second goal of the season. The Sound Tigers lead it 1-0. To the far wing boards, big hit as Bernier knocks Cizikas off the puck. Now a left circle shot by Anderson is stopped by Poulin. 13.5 to play in the second. 1-0 Tigers on top. Here is Zharkov from the right circle, and his shot is stopped. And Mills comes a little bit too close to Poulin, and he is quickly tackled by the enforcer combo of Steve Alexi and Brett Gallant. Here is McNeely in the neutral zone. Moves it ahead up the middle over the line. It's Romano. High slot shooting. Off the mark. Rebound. McNeely crashing the net. The follow by Frischman. That was blocked. It's a long pass up the right side, deflected in by Anderson. Rimmed around, Zharkov with the left wing. Back to 5-on-5 hockey. Left point, Urbom, a blast and a gorgeous glove save made by Poulin. Palmieri barrels in, drops it off right side. Zharkov back to Palmieri, a backhand shot, saved by Poulin. Oh, and he denied Nick Palmieri on a gorgeous backhand try in front. Poulin there with the stop, and he holds on. Poulin knocks down Olsen in deep. Puck still down low. House comes away with it in the near circle. And Bridgeport will look to clear the zone. Kept alive by the Devils. Here's Weissman with it. Top of the left circle. Big shot. He scores. Down the corner over the stick side of Poulin. Chad Weissman, who has lit it up against the Sound Tigers in seasons past, including a 4-goal third period last March in Albany. Ties it up with 14:10 left to play in the third period. It's 1-1. Debo wraps it around the boards. Back to the point. Donovan shoots. Amen. Rebound. Score! Casey Cizikas on the rebound. Backhands it through Frazee. And with 6:27 to play, the Sound Tigers lead it 2-1. Casey Cizikas with his 5th goal of the season. To the right. Here's Bernier left side. Shoots. They made. Good stop there by Poulin. As it skips by, here's Rakshani with it to the neutral zone. Rakshani shoots it into the far corner, finds Cullinan left circle in front of Rakshani, who dives and scores! Into the open net, Rakshani with his 2nd goal of the season as Cullinan from the left corner finds Red in front. A power play goal for Bridgeport with 27.6 to play, and the Sound Tigers lead it 3-1.